So today I'm going to show you how to copy your major address on your Bybit Exchange. Your major deposit address on Bybit Exchange. So if you do not have Bybit already installed your phone, you can go to your Play Store and search for Bybit and install it. So I'm going to open a major. Let me show you how the major. Okay. Now come here on this Telegram. I'm going to find my major there. So this is it. You can see, click on launch. Now how do you find your deposit address on your Bybit for major? So I'm going to show you. Let me click on launch. I think my network is bad here. So what you need to do is let me just show you the Bybit. Just go to your Bybit to go and copy the deposit address. So you go to your Bybit. For those of you that are familiar with major, so I'm going to go to my Bybit. This is it. Once you open your Bybit, the next thing you're going to do is, if you do not have Bybit, remember, go to your Play Store, search Bybit, download, install, and set up your account. Very easy. Click on where I'm going to join. Maybe network. I think the network is bad. Sorry, guys. Let's wait for the Bybit to open. Now, what you need to do is, once you are on your Bybit, now you need to come to your assets. Once you come to your assets here, I need to log in first. So you need to log in to your Bybit account first. I'm going to click on continue with my Google. I'm going to choose my account. Okay, now so once you're on your Bybit account, what I'm going to do is I'm not going to verify, skip. Now what you need to do is on your Bybit like this, what you need to do is come to your assets. When you come to your asset, then you come to deposit, click on your deposit. Then you come to deposit crypto, click on deposit crypto. The next thing is you're going to find, you search for the crypto you want to deposit here. So search for it, then you're going to search for major, and type major there. I'm going to bring out your major for you. Click on sign, and this is it. Let's click on the major. Then choose your chain. Click on turn, and this is it. Okay, so what you need to do is just go there. Once you open it, is that it's currently not available. So once it's available, you just copy it. It's very simple. I'm going to show you now. You can see now. Choose once you choose something you want to you choose, make sure you choose it, and you can see just copy it there. It asks me to verify. So once you choose it, you just copy it. You just copy the just copy the address. It's very simple. So once you do all this one, copy the address, and you're able to copy your major address. Very simple. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, share, drop a comment, and subscribe. See you in our next video.